Hello, welcome to another episode of Mavis Tube. We're outside in the lovely weather again. Yes, I'm going to do a review of my new Fiesta. Here it is. And we're going to go inside it. So, Imogen, you stay out of the car. Yes. So, here we go. Opening the door. And that's the second seat. Shut that door. And here's the driver's seat.
Driver's seat. How majestic! Okay, that was a little bit too much. Oh.
This is the driving wheel. It's a Ford. And we're driving the wheel. Oh my god, it spells off. Feel it in.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's so soft.
It's cool, isn't it? And we've got the gears. It's a sauna. You get to have a fun, and when you stop after like 2 minutes, the engine stops, and then the music. Imogen,
sorry.
And then when you push the pedal, it goes on. It's magic. And when it's this Fiesta knows when it's raining, so when it rains, automatically the mirror screams, just swipe. It's epic.
How wonderful.
Right, shut this door. And now we're going to go in the back. Here we are. Don't want me in.
Me Holly sit here. Yeah.
And then this is the other end. It's so comfy. This is how when my dad drove me to school, I was like, oh my god!
Did you see me?
Yeah, I actually caught your eye.
I know.
Did you see Imogen? Anyway,
I could see in it.
I'm gonna fly in a minute. I believe I can fly. So let's shut that. There she goes. I'm gonna do, and that's up. This is that. That's our Fiesta.
Go all around holes. Yeah. Look at that view. 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 Look at that view.
Look for Fiesta.
Look at that view.
And I'm gonna pretend that I can fly with Imogen.
Yes.
Ready? I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch. She's scared. Whoa! So, we're going to do a quick race, aren't we?
Yes.
Video. I believe in a wonderful weather. Yeah. Imogen's coming! And then back. No! Yeah! Oh, it's warm. I didn't bring a jacket. Let's go. And thanks for watching our race and the review of our Fiesta.
Oh, look at that duck in the window.
See you guys later.
Bye.
And so don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment.
Don't forget to subscribe. See ya.